Good day guys and welcome to another video. So I am here by the Debe Market. I'm here for a prayers to take part for my uncle's 6 months and we're buying a ton of stuff. I'm the bag holder as usual, but there's so much stuff. We're talking about 7 pounds of garlic, about 8 pounds onions. There's so much we had to empty it out and go back with the bag. This is 5 pounds of potato and that is not all the potato we're buying. We had to buy more. So more broccoli, sweet pepper and stuff, big cabbage, ginger. So I empty it out. And it's time for me to now head back because that was just a fraction of what we have to buy for the prayers. Yeah, but let me go back and check out the Debe Market. See there, sweet pepper, tomato. Look at Bandan here. She is sifting through choosing a cucumber. So in the market with my 2 aunts. Check them there. We're shopping for the prayers. This is the pepper. This is the provision. And fruits on this side. So all these fruits, but like apples don't grow here. They import it and you can get it here also. You walk in and thing. This thing. Yeah. House in Ravine Sable or Ravine Sable. I can't pass it. Hold on. Ravine Sable is where it have the sand pit where they actually get sand to build, and you could actually see it here on the ground. Check it out. The whole area here is just sand and mountains of sand. Back in the day when we would come and visit my aunt, we would go and bathe in a pond because when they dig out, it has a pond. I don't know if you can see the pond in the back there. And mountains of sand. We used to go and jump into the sand, dive down in it, big mountain. Yeah, it was something else. So let me see if I could get some nice shots of the sand pit right here. Such great memories of going by my aunt and going and swimming in these ponds and climbing up on the sand hills and jumping down 20 feet and landing in soft sand. Most of these lakes that you see in here, they are man-made. And it's because of the severe mining. It has been shut down since 2021 for environmental and other reasons. So no mining is going on here at the moment. But we used to go and be playing in this thing, man. Yes, it might have been a bit dangerous, but you know, we didn't know. But of course, we came down here to pick up our aunt and her daughter-in-law because they are the main cooks that will help us in the prayers. So let's get back to that. One of the reasons I'm in Trinidad is that 6 months from our uncle and we're going to have our prayers and we have to cook up and everything, and we're doing it the old fashioned way. We're cooking up everything. We have the firecracker, all the pot and thing. It has some pumpkin there on the table there. I had to cut it up. So we go see the kind of back end, not really the prayers and thing, but the back end of the cooking of the food and everything. It goes all the time, you know? How small? Alright, so we slice out the pumpkin and then they cut it up. Colonizing countries. So we put it together, the mango leaf?
Yeah.
How much you have to do?
I don't know. I just do it.
You just do it. And this is to decorate the cow?
No.
Oh, to decorate the place? Yeah. Okay, so this is where they're washing all the pot and stuff. Look. That's all the ways. I'm still washing ways in the back. And look at the size of this pot they use. Check it out. Big pot. So I have to go and wash these. So you washing pot.
Yeah, it's something to do with when I finish that pot.
to do work.
Something you sit up. Something more.
Yeah, man. Is he body or no? Right, and rinse it off. Again, to make sure all the soap and they come out. Wash your hand. All the soap come out. You see, you don't take it dirty here, but you see how the water come out black? Do it again. Man could wash pot pan living more. That's good. Then Channa, or chickpeas, and the cut up pumpkin. There's a whole bag of Bhagi.
Happy birthday to
As you can see, with cooking so many things, it can get pretty hectic. So we actually ordered the roti. Funny enough, the people making it here is still related to us on my wife's side. Show people how big them roti is be. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm with my little niece, Ashley. We're going to check out the food cooking and what.
Look, the pot on in there.
Good, Auntie? Yeah. Lovely. So this is the Channa now. Mango. Only see Mama says the Bhagi cooking. So you see the now is setting up the baby. That's where all the prayers and things will happen, all the rituals. His job is to get everything in order for the pundit when he comes. And the flowers you saw us picking earlier, it's being used in the rituals. We have mango and curry that. You just boiling it now.
Yeah, we're going to make it up.
Yeah.
You're cutting the pepper for
Yeah. Channa and aloo, or chickpeas, or garbanzo beans and aloo. They go and make curry, the pylori to the curry.
A basin and
Look the big cook putting in the garlic, the Bhagi. Like the chef. Pepper, hot pepper.
Just get a cola. Bring saffron and
Jeera. There's more banana.
rice celery.
Celery.
This is banana rice, pimento and like that. Look right here, have water somewhere. Throw the mango, throw the balance.
Yeah.
one guy.
Chanting the curry. Curry the mango. It's so spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything is here.
How many more would you want?
Look at that bowl.
Oh shit.
Wait, hook on it.
The bag I can put. Come put here.
You know, inside are little preparing other things, but you can still see all these spices. You always have pepper all over. Then you have mother-in-law. This is mother-in-law pepper sauce. Come take some of this and eat it. No.
Yeah, we have cut.
We hired. Net hired.
There's some cut on there over this time.
Yeah.
Chataigne. So there's the curry.
Yeah.
Chataigne here. So we just took a ton of pictures. Everyone who is participating and related directly is wearing yellow. I'm participating, of course. And we're just waiting for the pundit and we'll start the prayers soon. Everything is ready. The food is still getting cooked, but they'll be done by the time the prayers is done. Yeah. The windows and everything.
That's my people there. Come on. Can I go behind you? Oh, she coming so. Okay. Pull the gas here, man.
Hey.
Where's your bowl? Give me your bowl just in case.
Come, relax. Yes. Yeah. You go now. Come. There we go. Come.
Swamata, Om Brahma, Vishnu Dhyana, Om Shringamur Brahma Vishnu.
Alright, so we finished the prayers. The cow there is going to go just now. We hope. They will miss that cow. There she goes. She's going with the pundit to stay. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this kind of background in the preparing of the food and everything for the prayers. Please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Let us all class for the good at this point in time. We make a prayer. Make a prayer to the Divine Mother. Durga Devi. Hari Om Swamata